Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about how you can monetize as fast as possible as a small creator. This is going to be a very short video, so stick around. There's always been an opportunity for everyone to create online. If you're that type of creator that thinks a platform like YouTube is saturated, I want to tell you categorically right now that that is not true. YouTube might be saturated, but YouTube is not saturated in quality content, in your unique viewpoints. YouTube is not saturated in unique personalities like yourself. Even though a lot of people do the same things on YouTube, we talk about virtually the same subjects, but what people are looking for is your unique personality, unique perspective, and your unique viewpoint on that particular topic. Imagine you wanted to learn something about marketing and you picked up a book. I bet you don't stop at just one book. You go ahead and pick up multiple books in order to learn that thing. And the same thing applies for different subjects in different industries, in different niches as well. So how do you now monetize your platform in the shortest period of time? Now, let me give you a little background. I've been doing YouTube now for well over 3 years, and I have two different channels that I post content on. On one channel, I talk about my digital nomad journey, how I travel around the world, my goal to become a sovereign nomad. I have multiple residencies, multiple passports. There are people who are interested specifically in that type of subject. And on this channel that you're watching right now, I talk only about online marketing, how to become financially independent, how to start online businesses, and things of that nature. Now, when I realized that I wanted to talk about this, I ignored my old channel for a while. I started creating content afresh from a separate channel. Now, this was a strategic move that allowed me to just have a separation on both channels, because I don't want to bundle them together and confuse my audience and confuse my potential brand partners and potential sponsors for the channel. And as a result of that, I've been able to partner with the brands that I use every single day, with the brands that I believe in. For example, travel insurance companies, I make affiliate commissions recurring every single month by just putting my links in my description as an affiliate and also as a brand partner with these types of products. And on this channel as well, I've been able to make videos about the things that I'm passionate about, the things that I do as a freelance marketer, and I've been able to land clients simply by talking about my area of specialty, which is marketing. And also I've been able to land brand partnerships because my content aligns with the things that some brands are looking for, like the type of audience, the type of messaging, and the quality of those videos. So if you are looking to monetize as fast as possible, you need to pick something that you can talk about for any amount of time, and it has to be as specific as possible. That is the first thing. Next, you need to commit yourself to that platform. If that's YouTube, I would say give it anywhere from 3 to 6 months, and if it's any other platform, the same thing applies. You just have to be able to master that platform and put out content consistently, because nothing with having comes easy. I've been posting on this YouTube channel for over a year, but I didn't start getting traction until about 3 months ago. And in that time period, I've grown to well over 1,000 subscribers from being at 800 subscribers for a long time. That just goes to show that whatever you want to do, whatever platform it is that you want to pick, make sure that you have a 3 to 6 month plan, sometimes even 1 year. And I can assure you that you will find success on any platform that you choose. This is what I have for you today. If you found any value in this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section down below. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.